Hello, this is Ambus Dikshit. My registration number is 17. I am from CS department. And today we are going to see the series known as Unix Lab. Now in this Unix Lab, Unix and Linux Lab, we are going to see few experiments which are going to give us about some basics of this platform. And the first experiment let us dive into. And the first experiment is to understand the basic commands. Like there are 18 basic commands here which we can check out to get the basic and gist of what Unix is. So first of all is to create a directory. For that we have to go and so this is the platform as you can see, and for that first of all we have to get inside this directory. Now let us create a directory using the mkdir command, and let us create my directory with my name. So this is the directory, and to go inside that we have to give the name. Now we are inside this directory. So the first two questions are over, that is to create the directory and to get inside the directory. Now to create the file name, not student details.txt. So let us copy this and we'll understand, we'll understand what is going on. So vi student details.txt. So this is the file created. Now we will copy all this data which has to be appended inside this file so that we can paste it in that file and do the further operations as asked. So first we will copy it, and now we have pasted it here. Now let us go and do further operations. Now see, as you can see, the file has been created. Now to check the number of students having interest in network security and IoT, for that we have to use this grep command. So first we will copy this and we are going to paste it here. So instead of those dots we are having this double. As you can see, network security has occurred once, so in the file, that is why it is showing 1. Now let us check IoT, how many times it has come. So instead of network security in students details, we will put IoT. It hasn't occurred any time in this. Sorry, because I have given the case lower. If I'll give uppercase, as you can see, now I will get 1, because see, because the IoT was in lower case, that is why it did not it said that we have 0 of them. Now the sixth question is to display the details of students having interest as aero design. So for that again we have to use this grep command. And we have to check aero design. So for that we will use so number is 0. Why? Because we have given D as capital. So let us change that D back to small, and now we can understand, or because we are not getting it, so let us check what is there in the file for aero design. So aero design is this. So aero design we will copy from here and we will check out how many times it has occurred. So this is what is the one that happened. Now let us get back to the seventh one, that is to create a file student backup.txt with same content. For that you have to use this touch command. So for that we are going to use touch student backups.txt. So that we'll copy it from here and we'll paste it here. So student backup.txt. Now student backup.txt is created. So now to copy this again we'll use this command. So cp student details.txt to student backup.txt. Now we can check vi student backup.txt and we can check the same file has been created. Now let us get to the next question, that is to rename the file student backup.txt to save.txt. For that mv command is used and we will directly go to the putty and check it out that whether it's working. So this is the file created. Now it should have been save.txt. Now as you can see this is created. So let us get to the display current date and times. For that this is the one. So this will sorry so we can use this command to check it out. Let us check whether this command is working. Okay, so that is 2. So word count of this directory is 2. So to store the logged user details for the username, so for that we have to use this who command and we can check this out. So now let us get to the word count for the student details. For that we are going to copy and paste it here. "27 student details.txt", that is the count. Now to display the terminal number of what I am using, TTY is used. So 836, that is the terminal number. Now to create the alias name, so alias ls is equals to unhidden, so that command is used. So let us paste it here and let us check it out. Now it is created. Now what is the process ID? For that we are going to use PS. Now that is the process ID. So these are the few basic commands which we have checked out. So thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video.